Hello, my name is Jo Kukuczka, and this presentation is about developing a self-guided resource to support academic colleagues in reviewing and developing curricula. The key question here is, what would a curriculum development resource look like to me? And here's my answer. This resource could look like this framework, and it could be used for both development or review of modules or programs. Okay, so first, how this resource has been designed and organized. Less is more, hence the one-page clockwise visual design, making the format innovative, engaging, easy to follow, easy to adapt and apply. Using a multimodal approach of visuals, audio, video, and written text makes this resource accessible and inclusive and enables its delivery in face-to-face, blended, and online formats. Depicting the curriculum as a hot air balloon going through 4 stages of first taking off, then flying, landing, and finally going further makes the process easy to remember, as well as demonstrates the creative power of a visual metaphor. The icons on the sides visualize micro actions to be taken within each key stage of the process. The arrows and the people icons in the middle serve as a reminder that curriculum development is a process, and a complex one at that, so best approached in collaboration with other people. Finally, as this resource is underpinned by educational theories and research, it enables cross-disciplinary applicability, which makes this framework relevant to all involved in the process. By this striving to be inclusive and accessible, innovative and engaging, and collaborative and relevant, this resource has got potential to be a success, as those features are among the key indicators in today's higher education. Okay, so to the actual design, to the actual framework. The first key action, take off, is often downplayed, if not ignored, in the design processes, and yet it is a key stage, allowing a thinking space about the big picture before launching onto the actual design. One of the micro actions here involves considering the purpose of the curriculum, and this can include student success and disciplinary knowledge, but also institutional, educational, or real-world contexts, such as alignment with the university strategy and values, theories of learning, or global citizenship, for example. Next is considering the different stakeholders, such as students, teachers, fields of inquiry, and their role in the process. Students as co-creators of the curriculum, for example. Finally, in the key stage 1, there are the organization and delivery considerations, such as decisions on theoretical underpinnings for the design team selection and time allowances for the project. Then we've got the second key action, fly, and it is a more familiar and arguably the most complex one, maybe, because this is when the concrete development or review happens. The micro actions here include the storyboard design, starting with the learning outcomes through summative and formative assessment tasks to learning activities. This is then followed by testing and then adjustment of the design, all before the actual implementation of the curriculum. The third key action, land, is all about measuring and analyzing impact and viewing the curriculum as part of the big picture considered in key action 1. Then comes the evaluation, leading to an action plan focused on strengthening what worked and improving what did not. Then we've got the final key action, go further. And it might be the most powerful and exciting one yet, as it invites the development team to take their design experience out of the silo and share it with a wider audience as a conference presentation, for example. Or they can play with it and see where it takes them, or maybe use their reflections for CPD, such as the HEA fellowship portfolio, or maybe develop a research project. So this is it. To summarize, in this presentation, I demonstrate what a curriculum development resource could look like and why it would be effective and ultimately would lead to student success. Thank you for watching.